This Yongxinsheng DDR4 32GB desktop memory kit with two 16GB modules offers a substantial and noticeable boost for multitasking and modern games or creative workloads. Its 2666 MHz speed and tight configuration deliver smooth performance for everyday use while remaining compatible with many mainstream desktop platforms. The modules run at a low 1.2-volt operating voltage, which helps keep power consumption and overall system temperatures under control during extended use. An integrated aluminium alloy heat spreader efficiently draws heat away from the chips, improving stability and reducing the chance of thermal throttling in compact cases. The memory can automatically adjust down to lower supported speeds, making it a flexible upgrade for older systems that cannot run the full rated frequency. Overall, build quality feels solid for a value-oriented kit, making it a dependable choice for users who want a straightforward and stable memory upgrade without unnecessary extras.